Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see the important problem in a class and objects. So this is a basic problem that which helps to start for the beginner. This will definitely help the beginner to learn about the class and objects. So here I have one question, example question. So we have also solved this question in this video. So the question is, create the class student that scores the name and marks of the student. So in this, so the class name will be the student, and then we have to create the two object name and the marks. Write the method to display their details. So here we want to method use the method display. So we want to use the def dot display, so that will print the output. Then create two student objects and display the information. Just we want to give the inputs of two objects. That's it. So this was a question, and here we can go with a solution. Okay, let's understand how classes and objects work in Python with this simple example. First, we define the class called student. So here we have mentioned the class student. The class is like a blueprint for creating objects. So this class only will start in creating the objects. So here we have mentioned the object name like name and marks, and then we have used the init method. So this init method is called as the constructor. So it runs automatically when we create the new objects. So it takes a two parameter. We can see self dot name is equal to name and self dot marks is equal to marks. This is called as the two parameters. So it is used to refer the current object. So this init is generally used to prefer or refer the correct object. Then we have used the method called display. So def display, and this method just prints the student name and marks in a formatted way. So whenever we have using the display, it just prints the value that which we have given the in a object way. So here we can see S1 is one object and S2 is one object. So we have given the two inputs. So this will assign to the S1 and S1, S2, and S1 dot display and S2 dot display. This display will calls the this function, and then this function runs. So it will print the value in this object. So now we have I'm going to run this. So yeah, the output will be name Rakshi and marks is 85, and name is Arun and marks is 91. So this will be the output. So this is very easy and simple basic method. Here we have using the basic class and objects method. This was the first question that you want to learn. So here I have almost covered the basic in this class and objects. Okay, take a look at this code. Tell me what will be the output. I also given the options here. So try it and comment down your answers. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for the daily interview questions and basic questions in Python, SQL and Excel.